Hello all, I am Prem from VGT, Veticle Global Tech. Are you looking to build and deploy lightweight modular Java application and microservices? If so, you need to check out about the Micronaut frameworks. In today's tutorial by VGT, we will be exploring all the features and advantages of the Micronaut framework. Micronaut is an open source JVM based software framework for building lightweight modular applications and microservices. Micronaut is known for its ability to help developers create apps and microservices with small memory footprints and short startup times. An important advantage of the Micronaut framework is that the startup time and the memory consumptions are not tied to the size of an app's codebase. This makes the development of integration tests much easier and their execution much faster. A big difference between Micronaut and other frameworks is that Micronaut framework analyzes the metadata as soon as the application is compiled. During this compilation phase, Micronaut will generate an additional set of classes that represents the set of application already pre-configured. This enables dependency injection and aspect-oriented programming behavior to be applied much more efficiently when the application finally runs. Press the bell icon and do subscribe and follow us for more. Stay tuned for tech updates.